If you can identify and make patterns in kindergarten, it will help you when you begin to study algebra. Actually, finding a pattern is a problem-solving skill you'll use for the rest of your life, since patterns are everywhere. Grab some Lego bricks and let's begin identifying patterns in math.
Patterns are everywhere in the world. Naming and recreating patterns is one of the games you can play with the learners you love to help them move ahead at home. And most homes have the perfect tool for creating patterns, Legos. Making and labeling a pattern is a skill for kindergarten level learners, but younger children can make simpler patterns and more mature learners can make sophisticated patterns. Like all the other games in Move Ahead at Home, players are more engaged when someone important to them plays with them and adds the element of competition. For this game, you'll need a mixed bag or container of Legos, different numbers of studs, the raised portion on the top of each Lego block, and different colors. And you can even add Lego mini people or Lego accessories. In fact, I've added for interest, I like buttons or bling, so I've added for interest some buttons and bling to make my patterns. Every player will also need a pattern work mat. This time your work mat needs to have some way of organizing the items that you will place on the mat. You could use a checkered kitchen towel like this, or even a checkerboard. Let's practice a simple pattern first. I'm going to place button, bling, button, bling, button, bling. This is called, you got it, A, B, A, B, A, B. All the A's are button and all the B's are bling. That is my AB pattern. What do you think an ABB pattern would look like? What do you think an ABC pattern would look like? Let's see, an ABB would be, if we followed this one, button, bling, bling. You might want to have several of these pattern cards in the stack and mix them up so that when you turn it over, you're racing to see who is the first to make this pattern and put their hands back on their shoulders. When you make yours, be sure to add the one pattern card I find the most fun. It's the mystery pattern. You can make up any pattern you want, and everyone has to guess what you made based on what you placed. You ready? All players will place their hands on their shoulders. The leader turns over the top pattern card. The leader says 1, 2, 3, go, and the first player to create the pattern that's on the card using at least 6 items wins if, you remember, if they can explain how the pattern they created represents the pattern on the card. The skill of creating and labeling patterns is one that you could continue when you're out for a walk. It's one that you can continue if you're walking around the house. Patterns are everywhere. You could say, today we're going on an AB pattern scavenger hunt. And everywhere you go, you look for AB patterns. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you saw and want more, visit my website, GlennaTabor.com. There are over 100 games there you can download all for free. The games are fun. They teach the concepts your children need to be learning right now. If you have any questions or you'd like to see games for other concepts, please let me know in the comments section below. If you like this game, be sure to click the subscribe button so you'll know every time a new game is added. See you next time as we move ahead at home.